Hello, little learners. Welcome to our fun learning adventure. Today, we're going to meet some super cool shapes, and I'll show you some things that look like them. Ready? Let's go. First up, we have the circle. It's round and smooth with no corners. Here are three things that are circles: a ball, a donut, a cookie. Yum! Circles are so much fun. Now, let's meet the rectangle. It has four sides, but two sides are longer than the other two. Here are three examples of rectangles: a door, a book, a TV screen. Here comes the triangle. A triangle has three sides and three corners. Let's look at three things that are triangles: a slice of pizza, a traffic cone, a party hat. Next, it's the square. A square has four equal sides and four sharp corners. Here are three examples of squares: a window pane, a pillow, a gift box. Look up. It's the star. A star has many points, and it shines bright in the sky. Here are three examples of stars: a starfish, a starfruit, a magical wand. Here's a special shape: the heart. It's the shape of love and kindness. Here are three things shaped like hearts: heart-shaped leaves, a strawberry, a heart-shaped candy. Next, we have the oval. An oval looks like a stretched-out circle. Here are three examples of ovals: an egg, a football, balloons. Wow! We learned about so many amazing shapes today: circle, rectangle, triangle, square, star, heart, and oval. Can you find these shapes around you? Keep exploring and have fun. Thank you! Thank you for joining me on this shape adventure. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more fun learning videos. See you next time, Shape Explorers. Bye-bye.